Hey, good morning everybody. This is Dan, Basic Camping with Dan. And today I'm making chilaquiles. Chilaquiles are an awesome recipe for any spring holiday, including Easter. And I like it because it's filling, it's a comfort food, and it's pretty much anything you can get at a local grocery store. So let me show you real quick what ingredients. Alrighty, so the first is the corn tortillas. So just some these are just some white corn tortillas. I got my cheeses. I'm using cheddar cheese because I like the sharpness of the cheddar. I got avocado, cherry tomatoes, and I have slow roasted pork that I made last night. And you can use anything else like bacon or anything. It's really what you want to do for your toppings. And really what's going to give this all flavor is the salsa verde. You can make it homemade or you can use a jar. I just use the jar because when you're camping, you just want something easy, and you can pick this up just about anywhere. And because this is breakfast, I will be cooking an egg on top. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our oil hot. I'm using just regular vegetable oil, and basically what you're going to do is add about 1/4 of an inch of oil down at the bottom of the pan. Alrighty, so while the oil is getting hot, we're going to cut up our tortillas into triangles. So you just want to grab the stack of your tortillas, and you should be able to just cut them all at once, just like that, and then just like that. And when your oil gets up to about 325 degrees, you can use a thermometer. That's what I recommend. We're going to go ahead and add the tortillas. And the key here is we're not going to do a deep fry to these tortillas. We're going to do more of a shallow fry. So it's not going to be super crunchy like chips. So it's going to still be a little flexible. And while the tortillas are cooking, we're going to get some napkins or paper towels, and we're going to line a plate. Just so the chips are going to have a place to kind of strain a little bit that oil. And so what we want is kind of a little bit crispy, but not too crispy. So as chips get crispy, you want to take them off individually. All right, and while we have the skillet hot with the oil, I'm going to throw an egg in there. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take our chips, throw them in a bowl. Take our salsa verde, take about a 1/2 cup or so, throw it in there, and then we're going to lightly toss it. Make sure all the chips get covered, and then we're going to grab our plate, and we're going to throw it down like that. Then we're going to start assembling. We got our cheese. We got our meat. Just like that. And then we got our egg over here. And then we got our avocado. Just like that, nice, delicious avocado. Go ahead and throw that on there. Just like that. All right, everybody, I'm gonna eat my chilaquiles. Really easy recipe, good camp recipe, and gonna enjoy this. Get some of that avocado, some of that delicious pulled pork. That is amazing. But I'm gonna eat this, and yeah, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Basic Camping with Dan. I'm gonna finish eating my chilaquiles. It's Easter, and have a good day. Thumbs up if you like this, and subscribe. Cheers.